Ever noticed how K-pop idols sometimes speak super politely? And other times, they sound way too casual. In this video, we'll decode those language switches from Jondaetmal to Banmal. Welcome to K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Subscribe and join the lab. Today, we'll explore the 3 levels of Korean politeness that idols use: Hamnida-che, Haeyo style, and Banmal style. Let's begin with the most formal style. Hamnida. See, you'll hear this when idols make public speeches or thank their fans at award shows.
열심히 하겠습니다.
That ending shows high respect. It's distant but very professional. Here are a few common examples.
만나서 반갑습니다. 보고 싶었습니다. 감사드립니다.
In short, Hamnida form distance plus respect. It's the language of public image. Now, the most common one, Haeyo style. This is what idols use on variety shows, interviews, or when talking kindly to fans.
사람이 필요해요.
This ending, Ayo, Ioyo, Yayo keeps things polite but friendly. It's perfect for everyday talk, respectful without sounding stiff.
좋아해요. 갈까요? 괜찮아요.
If you're new to Korean, this is your best starting point. Haeyo form is polite, natural, and totally idol approved. And finally, the most relaxed style, Banmal. Used only with close friends or members of the same age.
추가해.
Notice, no yo, no nida, just short, direct words, the way friends talk. Here's the transformation of one sentence in all 3 levels. Formal, gongbu hamnida. I study. Polite, gongbu haeyo. I study. Casual, gongbu hae. I study. Same meaning, totally different vibe. So remember, Banmal equals closeness, but never use it with seniors or strangers. Alright, let's recap quickly. Quick quiz. First, when idols give a formal speech, which form? 3, 2, 1, yes. Hamnida second when they joke with their maknae, which one? They're 2-1, right? Banmal, you're getting it. Now it's your turn. Take your favorite idol quote and rewrite it in all 3 levels. Write it in the comments below. This discussion is based on a clip from Alpha Drive 1 ALD1. Full video links in the description if you enjoyed learning Korean through real K-pop clips. Don't forget, subscribe and join the lab. Thank you.